Oh my god, it's snowing! It's snowing! Okay, let's do this. We just had Thanksgiving a few days ago and Christmas is around the corner, so I have created a gift guide edition for her. I will also be creating a for him edition, which will be included under the description of this video, as well as I will talk more about it at the end of the video. So let's go back to the video. To begin, this is a beautiful, lovely, thoughtful gift. It smells delicious. It lasts for a long time. And it's so fun to collect the little crystals at the end. It's a multi-use type of present. It can also be used to store jewelry, to store objects inside. It's dreamy. It can be used at night. It can be used to manifest. It has really good energies with the crystals inside, and it has such a great and fun presentation. Next is a portable travel blender. This one is my favorite. I have used BlendJet for many years now. None of the items that I'm mentioning in this video are sponsored. I just generally like them, and I thought that they would make a great addition to this list. It's ideal for someone who is into health. It's fun, it's easy to use, it's easy to clean. You just add water at the end, a few drops of soap, let it run, and voila, it cleans itself. It's a thoughtful, practical, and beautiful present. Next is a personalized and cozy mug. Mugs like this one on screen are charming, have nice aesthetics, and they feel even better when they are personalized. I like that this one has my initial. Of course, you would find the initial corresponding to the person you're gifting it to. We all use mugs, but it's extra thoughtful, extra special when it's personalized. Somehow the hot cocoa tastes even better, even cozier and lovelier that way. Next is a beautiful tumbler. Staying hydrated can feel nice, can feel refreshing, grounding, and stylish. It's a great addition to those who are traveling, on the move, when driving, or just accessible and easy to reach on a bedside table. We tend to gravitate towards visually pleasing aesthetics that exude a relaxing and reliable vibe. Combine that with staying hydrated and it's a win-win. It makes anyone want to drink even more water. Next is a beautiful and refined wine glass. It's a sophisticated way to drink not only wine, but also non-alcoholic beverages, especially water for those of us who love drinking water from a wine glass. It's great and fun for a girls' night in. I have gifted the same set to my sister. It's cheeky, it's playful, it's classy. It's a fun way to spend time together and multiply the high vibes. Next is a nice and silky sleeping mask. The materials leave the skin smooth, hair shiny, without leaving marks or tangled hair. It's easy to pack when traveling, when taking a nap, or at night when going to bed. This one on display also covers the ears, so it gives a wider range of coverage, so that way you can rest and deeper rest for that beauty sleep. It's nice, it's cute, it's cozy, it makes a great gift for anyone. Next is a heating pad. Every girl would benefit from having a heating pad, especially when our moon cycle arrives. We get cramps, we feel bloated, we feel uncomfortable, and heat actually helps to aid and soothe a lot of that pain, a lot of those cramps. It's also nice to use when it's very cold. It gives that nice and cozy feel. The temperature can be adjusted. I know some pet parents have gotten heating pads for their pets, and their pets love laying on top of them, feeling cozy. It's one of those things that humans and pets can benefit from. Next is a pair of classy touchscreen gloves. These are nice, they are stylish, they keep the hands warm from temperatures that are very cold. And the best part is that they are touchscreen, so nobody needs to remove their gloves just to use their phone. Plus, they look sophisticated and they elevate any look. Next is a beautiful, aesthetically pleasing coffee table book. As ladies, we love a beautiful and elegant, aesthetically pleasing inspiration. That's why we love looking at magazines when we were kids, when we were tweens, and getting inspiration, ideas, tips, secrets. We love to have a catalog that we could reference. This is an elevated version of a magazine. This looks good on any table and it inspires ideas for the viewer. This one on display is one of my favorites. I have had it for years. I love just opening it and getting ideas, getting those tips, and I also love the way that it makes me feel. It is a very beautiful, pleasing way to stay inspired, stay healthy, stay feminine. It makes a really beautiful and elegant present. Next is a Polaroid camera. This is a beautiful, creative, and fun way to capture those moments in time. Somehow, when we can hold a physical product versus swiping, we appreciate that even more. The value of what they represent increases, and it's also very aesthetically pleasing to take a look at them. It's great to look back to after years. The good memories can be appreciated even more. It's one of those timeless presents that looks good, feels good, and makes life look good. As an added tip, something that I recommend to do when it comes to gift giving is to keep a gift list on Amazon. So throughout the year, whenever you see something that you would like to gift to someone specifically, or you would like to receive as a present, anything that inspires presents ideas, by having a list, you have something to go back to later on, and it makes it a lot easier rather than trying to figure it out last minute. What are some of your favorite presents that you like giving, or your favorite present that you have received? Leave them in the comment section down below. I hope this was helpful. If you like these ideas, I have also created a video. This is gonna be the male edition. If you like my content, I talk about feminine energetics, health, manifesting, frequencies. I have created these beautiful meditations that are available on my YouTube channel if you want to tune into them, relax, use them to journal, to manifest. They are nice and soothing. It's nice to play them on the background. If you want more, please feel free to subscribe, leave your comments down below, and turn on your notifications to be the first to know when I release a new video. I'll see you in my next video.